Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is mouth-watering, tasty, juicy, delicious sweet dish, which we named gulab jamun. Follow my steps, you will be amazed. Crack one egg in a bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons pure ghee with the egg. Mix egg and ghee properly. Keep it aside. Take a mixing bowl or plate for making dough. 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 full cup powdered milk, 1 full tablespoon white flour. Mix all these ingredients perfectly. Baking powder, milk powder and white flour. Now mix the egg and ghee mixture. Knead it into a dough with soft hand. Make 9 to 12 balls for frying. Add 4 cups water in a saucepan or cooking pan. Add 2 cups sugar in the water. Add 4 cardamom in the sugar syrup. Stir and let it boil. Heat up a frying pan. Pour in 2 to 3 cups of cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon ghee with oil. It will give more aroma. Now fry the golab jamuns until it's dark brown. You can see that the golab jamuns are fried nicely. Add all the fried golab jamuns into the sugar syrup. Make sure they don't break. Stir carefully. Cover the lid. Boil the golab jamuns for 20 minutes in low heat. After 20 minutes, turn off the flame. Now you can enjoy them hot or let them chill in the fridge. Look at the texture, yum! It's soft and melts in your mouth. Thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe if you want more. Stay with us.